Tired of juggling multiple apps just to send your friend that $10 you owe them? Today, we're simplifying your life by showing you exactly how to transfer money from your Truist bank account directly to Cash App, making those transactions quick and painless. First, open your Cash App on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in. Now look for the Banking or Money tab. It usually looks like a building, often found on the lower left corner of the screen. Tap on it. Next, you'll want to link your Truist account. Select Add Bank. Cash App will guide you through the process. Make sure you select that you are going to link to a bank. Now the screen will transition into a Plaid page. Search for Truist from within Plaid. Tap on Truist. Once you have located it, you'll need your Truist online banking username and password to proceed, so have those handy. This is a secure process, and Cash App uses Plaid to encrypt your banking information. Okay, almost there. After entering your Truist credentials, you might be asked to verify your identity through a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Enter the code to confirm. Now that your Truist account is linked, you can send money. Return to the Cash App home screen and tap the $ icon. Enter the amount you want to send. Tap Send and enter the Cash App username, phone number, or email of the person you're sending money to. Before finalizing, double-check that the funding source is your Truist account. Simply tap the funding source listed if it isn't your Truist account. Confirm all the details are correct, and then tap Send. Cash App may ask for your PIN or Touch ID for security, and that's it. You've successfully sent money from your Truist account to Cash App. It's that simple, and you can simplify your life more.